Say goodbye to cough, phlegm, flu, and clean the lungs forever with this old remedy. Natural remedies are always a better option than conventional solutions. Find the healthiest combination of ingredients that works best for you. That is the only way to avoid any side effects. We give you a recipe that is safe for both children and adults. Remember, the original recipe uses fresh carrots, as they provide the maximum benefits. What makes carrots that powerful? Stronger immunity, optimal cardiovascular health, healthy cholesterol levels, great skin complexion and acne treatment, proper detoxification, an amazing source of calcium required for good digestion. Let's get you through the ingredients. Ingredients: 1/2 kilogram carrots, 3 to 4 tablespoons organic honey, purified water. Preparation: peel and clean the carrots. Transfer them to a pot, and turn the heat on medium-high. Cook your carrots until they become soft. Preserve the liquid. Mash the carrots. Add 3-4 tablespoons of raw and organic honey to the liquid in which you cooked your carrots, and stir in the carrot puree. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.